Good morning, guys. When everything was going okay, you will had to receive 15 Modu-views. That's the old one, the Modu-views, and not the Modu-view Lite, because we are still developing it. We have here the CMC4 controller, because we sent 50 pieces for the CMC4 controller. So with the Modu-view, and you received and also the two antennas that you must connect here with a power cable, connect there to the 24 voltage, and with the in the boxes then also the special config cable. And as you see here, also in mine is then one connector for the Modu-view. So here I will send this connector to the Modu-view. That's the black one, and then we have a gray one and a special one, but also we have a special adapter. Yes, so I will power down the lift, and then this special adapter, you take away this connector, that is the X24, then you can connect one of the connectors to the bottom, you connect it back here, connect the new cable, and that's data bus 1. And of course, so we talk, I will power it up in the meantime. We talk about it by mail over disconnecting the service port and you don't see anything. So we use now two data buses, so we can still, when this one is not connected, we still monitoring and also the faults. But this must also be connected then to the POM port, and we can read in also all the faults. As we discussed, so when they use it in the future, the Modu-tool or another service tool, they can take it out and must plug it back, of course. But this one will stay always in. Put it nice in the trunk. The cables are always 2 meters, and then it must be success. For us, it's then important that this is the first CMC4 adapter. We don't have the CMC4 controllers in the Netherlands. We have this the only one, and it's our training controller. But we are going to Belgium to check, and it is working also the adapter. But we can change the adapter a little bit when the space is too narrow. But that is up to you guys. So I need good feedback of that. So we must make it a success together. Yeah. So now this controller is working. You can see here now all LEDs. They are so when you connect it. This is the power connector. It's also in the. I will put it in the mail. But it is the modem, yellow. Red is that we have connection with the back end. And then 4 LEDs, and this one must be green. Then it will monitoring. We will give you also by the mail the login for the dashboard. Of course, you want to have the data in your own system, but that goes through Modu Solutions. But I give you directly the dashboard where all your 15 Modu-views are connected to the dashboard. We will show that to you. So, and then yeah, you can connect it and you'll see it directly in your dashboard what happens. So in this moment the lift is running, you can see it here also, and that the lift is running. And then it show up also in the dashboard directly. Yeah, now have a nice weekend. I hope that the weather is nice in Madrid. Here is very bad, so speak to you later. Bye bye guys.